Let's add a new section by clicking here, and this time we'll choose the text over media section. We've used this section before, but this time we're going to use it in a way that creates a nice effect when we scroll down the page. Click here to open the section options, set the layout to half-width media, and put the media on the left side on the wide screens and on the bottom on tall screens. Click here to assign a custom color, choose white for the text, and for the background color, let's choose this orange box that we've previously added. Set the overlay opacity to 0%, and under background effects, make sure you set it to sticks, very important. So now when you scroll up or down, the background will stick to the background. The first text I'm going to paste in is going to be H2 Roboto at 200%. Press enter, and the second text box will be H3 Roboto at 150%, and I'll align both of them to the center. Only thing I still have to do is to click here to change the image. Drag and drop an image for wide screens and another one for tall screens. And then click Save Changes. Great. Now click on this icon next to the section thumbnail and choose Copy to Current Story. This will duplicate the section, but this time I'll set the media to be on the right. Change the text, replace the images, save the changes, and now when you scroll up or down, you'll see this nice effect of alternating layouts, which really helps with the storytelling. Now that you know how to create this effect using text over media sections and how to create a nice reveal section with text and media, in the next video I will show you how quickly you can create your story. We're going to create 2 reveal sections with multiple images and text, as well as 2 alternating text over media sections, also with images and text, and everything will be optimized for both mobile and wide screens.